This video is gonna be short. I processed the chicken already. 3 thighs in each and 3 drumsticks in each. I washed them with the apple cider vinegar. I still have some here for the pork. So the apple cider vinegar and salt, and then I season them. So I'm going to be putting this, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packages, 3 drums and 3 thighs in each. And I also packaged already the manager special, the pork chops right here. I already processed this one, so I'm going to seal all of these and put them in my deep freezer. I'm going to leave one of these here, and then we're going to move on to cut and process this. Guys, this is the best way that you could save some money. I mean, I'm always trying to save money because things are expensive, guys. Food is expensive. And this is the best way that I could fill up my freezer and having the stuff that I use over here and then for backup over there, because my husband works in a major food chain, and he says that the trucks are bringing less and less and less. Now with the cost of fuel, everything has gotten up, and there's over 1,300 farms. They already shut down. They are not making anything. A lot of them went bankrupt. So I'm passing this information. Get ready, guys, because I kept saying it. It's coming. A lot of people don't take it serious, and there's a lot of preppers out there. So do the right thing. Get yourself ready. The freezer doesn't cost a lot. The freezer only costs what? $89. So buy you stuff little by little as you buy for you to consume weekly, and always have extra. And also, a lot of the dry goods are not coming in. And I'm talking about, my husband works for a warehouse, supermarket, okay? And I'm telling you, get ready. Get ready, get ready, because a lot of stuff are being discounted. A lot of stuff, the store's trying to make the much money now, so they're pumping whatever they have to the shelf. For every holiday, they're trying to make their money, but when they don't, everything goes to waste. So that's when you go after the holidays, go shopping and stuff your freezers, guys. And yes, what about if I lose power? That's okay. My daughter, in her house, they have a backup generator, and so is my son. So everything could get transported. So just be careful, guys. Get ready. So let me show you how everything is gonna look. After I am done, I will be cleaning my sink with bleach and everything around it. And then I'm going to get cooking today's dinner, because I've been going since this morning and I have not eaten anything. Yes, guys, I clean my kitchen sink before I start doing this, because there's some people, they're gonna be like, ew, you're doing that in your sink? Yes, where else you want me to do it? I did the chicken in the bowl because the chicken was small, but I had to scrub my sink so I can cut my ribs, and I cut them in there. So guys, I'm using Italian seasoning, adobo, garlic powder, onion powder, oh my goodness, paprika, garlic, ultimate garlic, that good stuff. And of course, we're going to be using a package of sazon. So meanwhile, everything's going to be sitting in the refrigerator for an hour while the seasoning penetrates the meat, and then I will be moving it up to freeze. Whew, that's what happens when you deal with adobo. This will make you sneeze. So I'm going to stir this together, and then I'm going to bring you back. All right, guys, here's my meat, seasoned, processed. I'm gonna take it to the freezer, put the date on them. My markers on top of the freezer. I'm gonna put a date on them. And then this is what we're gonna have today. I'm going to be cooking barbecue ribs. But yes, guys, I do like to season my ribs, even though they are going to be covered with barbecue sauce. So I'm going to clean my sink, and that's it. I'm going to bleach my sink. I'm going to move everything, bleach everything, because once you wash meat, the water splash, and you don't want to have salmonella or E. coli, any other virus. So let's get to that. All right, guys, bye. And let's start preserving because things are gonna get ugly. Bye.